In this video, I'm in Park City snowboarding. It's Martin Luther King's Day weekend and I've traveled here with family and friends. Park City is a huge mountain with two sections, a Mountains Village section and a Canyons Village section. We are skiing in the Mountains Village, the main ski area, which is closer to the historic Park City downtown area. There are great restaurants there. Park City is owned and operated by Vail Resorts, which has been growing its portfolio of ski resorts through acquisitions. You can ski all week with these two mountains interconnected to each other. In these clips, we took the Eagle, Silver Streak, and King Khan chairlifts to hit several blue trails. From the King Khan chairlift, there are several blue trails all running parallel to each other, including King Khan and Temptation, with 8 other blue trails in between them. If you like blue trails, which I do, this is an awesome chairlift to ride. The trails were very spacious, well groomed, and the views were amazing. We then took the Silverlode trail to try out Parley's Park, and then took Homerun trail back to the base lodge. The conditions were amazing with powder and snow. I did not see much ice on the mountain, even though there were a lot of visitors. Because it was a long holiday weekend, everything was a little more expensive and there were a lot of people on the mountain. At the trails higher up the mountain, it was spacious and not too crowded, but closer to the base it can get congested and you have to be careful not to get hit. Believe it or not, I was hit twice from behind by one skier and one snowboarder on this trip. They host an annual Sundance Festival in Park City, so if you visit, try to avoid that weekend, which can get crowded and even more expensive. There are many restaurants in Park City to try out, but make reservations ahead of time for dinners. During this trip, our first night here, we had no reservations and instead got takeout food from Bangkok Thai on Main and ate it at our B&B. We had sit-down reservations for dinner at Grappa and Grub Steakhouse. I've also visited High West Distillery and a few other restaurants. For lunch, we ate at a restaurant called Baja Cantina, which is near the base lodge, good Mexican food. Park City is only about 15 minutes from the Salt Lake City airport. If you arrive in the morning, you can even try to squeeze in an afternoon on the slopes. There are a ton of other ski resorts in the area, but I like Park City. My wife and I have come here before, and we had an excellent time, so we've come back to meet friends here. I'm using the GoPro 7 Black with the Hypersmooth feature turned on and a super wide field of view. Share this with any friends who might be visiting Park City soon. If you like this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe, and check out my other snowboarding videos on my channel. I've also got other action videos as well. Thanks!